We're going to go over today making a simple copper bead. This isn't going to have all the finishing that it normally would, but it's just going to be a quick demonstration on the order of operations in which we make a simple copper bead. So all the beads, not all of them, but for the most part, the beads I make, I like to be 1 inch overall length. This one here, I already cut with the cutoff and verified that it is in fact 1 inch overall length. So I come in first with the cutoff. Part it down just a little bit. Then I come in with my calipers. Verify that it's about 1 inch. 996 thousandths. Close enough. So what we're going to be using is our spotting drill. It's my preferred method, 60 degrees included angle, and a 1/4 inch, just a standard drill. I think maybe 1/18 included angle, doesn't matter. So the spotting drill is just going to guide that through a hole drill in. And in making the beads, the depth of that spot drill really doesn't matter. It's going to leave a little corner break so the edge isn't sharp. And it's going to help to guide the drill. Sorry about the camera. So I set the gauge on my tailstock, which you can't see, but maybe at a different video, to know that I'm going to drill 1.1 inches deep. And as you notice with the drill, I was backing in and out. It's just a simple peck. Sorry for the camera again. Just to clear out any chips that might be there. So now the hole's drilled. I have the spot made, my 1 inch score mark at the end for my length is set. Now I'm going to turn it down to about 620 thousandths. Use an auto feed. It's pretty boring actually doing the auto feed, but it leaves a consistent finish, no feed lines. Now I'm going to just put in another angle tool. Probably got to clean that off, it's pretty dirty. And all I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to chamfer the front, chamfer the back. Chamfer. Now it's kind of a pain. I don't have enough quick change tool holders, but this wouldn't reach back there. I would hit the chuck. So I have a different tool. It's got a little bit more clearance that I will be able to chamfer the back. All I'm doing is here is putting a little angle on the back and the front, just so it's not sharp for our lovely customers. It's not sharp to the touch, and it's also more aesthetically pleasing. Now I'm going to bring this out. I'm going to pop on our knurl tool. And the beauty of this is, what I shouldn't say the beauty, what I like most about it is it always comes out just a little bit different. And I've been on lathes for a long time. If I wanted to make a knurl that's the exact same, I could do it no problem. But what I really like this space is that it's a little bit different from the job shop work that I'm used to. So instead of making everything per print, I just make it. Have a plan, don't have a plan, I don't know, it just comes out cool. Watch out so you don't hit the chuck. I almost did right there. I almost hit the chuck. So you can see there, boy, does that look pretty bad. But we blow it off. Pretty good. Doesn't look half bad at all. So now what I'm going to do, going to swap out the tool again. Not used to the whole YouTube thing, but I kind of dig it. I like to see, I mean, we have a lot of great customers. Turning Point Machine Works, you can find us on our Etsy store. But we have a lot of great customers, and it's nice to show them how we make stuff. You know, we love our customers very much. All right, I'm going to use this bead groove tool just to pop in a couple aesthetic grooves. And that kind of breaks up the monotony of having just a solid knurl. So now the knurling is done, the drilling is done, the spotting is done, the turning is done. Now we're going to part it off. That's our parting tool. This car, 2mm. Sorry, I didn't know my hand was in the way. There we go, that's it. Now, like I say, that is basically, look at the knurl. In the video, it did look, when we were knurling, it looked like garbage, but now you can see it's not too bad. So the last operation we would have is we will use this, which is called a zero flute chamfer tool. We'll be able to chamfer both ends. Do a little hand sanding on the face. Then we will blacken and tumble, and that's it. And this will go on the store, I don't know when. But like I say, we want to make these YouTube videos to just show our customers how our items are made. And this is very basic. A lot more finishing would have gone into this on a normal bead. We wouldn't have been made this quickly. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Check us out at Turning Point Machine Works. I hope so much you liked the video. And feel free to leave a comment if there's something you want to see or if there's a change that you want us to make. Thank you so much.